Hey, what's up guys? It is Tyiece hair, so I am back again, and today I will be refreshing my mini twist as well as showing you a few hairstyles and showing you guys how I preserve it at night. So if you haven't already, don't forget to give this video a rating, leave me a comment down below, and subscribe for weekly videos. So this is how my hair is looking. It doesn't look bad. This is actually 5 days post since I did these mini twists. So I haven't refreshed it, moisturized it, or anything like that yet, guys. I haven't even done a style. I did one style. That was it. So to moisturize my hair, I will be using the OK Coconut Leaf, and this one smells so good. I just grab whatever I have at home. You can use any type of moisturizer you have laying around your house. It doesn't really matter, as long as it works for your hair. Okay, so to start with, I will be redoing the twists around the edges, just the ones in the front. See, it look much better when you redo the front. It really spices up the hairstyle so it doesn't look old, because this is what people see when they first look at your hair, is usually your edges. Okay, so now it's time to try some hairstyles. Show you guys a few different hairstyles to do with your mini twist when you want to spice it up and you don't want to wear it like this. So the first hairstyle is very simple. It's actually my favorite out of all the hairstyles I will be showing today. So what I'm doing here is just putting two big twists on the side, and I'm leaving the bang area out so that I can have a nice bang. It just adds a nice touch to the hairstyle, as well as leaving the back out. This second hairstyle is also another cute and simple one. So this is more of an effortless look. So I'm just leaving some twists down on the side just to make it look as if I didn't do much work to just put it into that ponytail in the back. And I also left the bang area out and the back out. So this third hairstyle is more for my girls who do not like hair in their face. So what I'm doing is twisting both sides back and leaving the back out. And I'm twisting up that bang as well. This one is more for like when your twists get really old or you just don't want your hair in your face anymore. But after demonstrating all of these beautiful hairstyles to you all, my twists are sticking up and looking crazy. So what I'm doing here is just refreshing it with water so that it can lay flat again and I can continue with the hairstyles. So this is the fourth and final hairstyle. And this hairstyle is basically just a twist and a bantu knot at the top. So I'm doing two in that bang area. This one is much more youthful and playful. It's much more for like my younger girls or my wilder girls who like to have fun with their hair and do something different with it. To preserve my twists at night and to prevent frizz and to prevent them from sticking up or becoming crinkled up, what I do is tie a scarf around my head first, making sure that all of the twists are laying flat before I apply my bonnet.